Hi to all, welcome to my class number 7 on simple equations. Today I am going to discuss applications of simple equations to practical situations. You are familiar with making expressions using a sentence. For example, 7 times a number y added to 6. What is 7 times a number y? Yes, it is 7y. Now added to 6. So what you have to do? Yes, plus 6. So you get 7y plus 6. This is the expression for the sentence 7 times a number y added to 6. Now this sentence is not a complete sentence. Now if we are adding gives 20 to it, what this expression will become? It becomes equal to 20. Now this is an equation 7y plus 6 equal to 20. Similarly, you can make any sentence to an equation. Now you know how to solve it. First, what you have to do? You have to transpose 6 to the other side. So we get 7y is equal to 20 minus 6. So plus 6, while transposing it will be minus 6. That is 7y is equal to 40. Now you have to transpose 7. So it will be divided by 7. Therefore y is equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2 is the solution. Now let us look at some questions. Here you have exercise 4.4. Look at these questions. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. 8 times a number. Here number is not given. You can take a variable. Let the variable be x. 8 times a number means it is 8x. Now add 4 to this number means 8x plus 4. You get 60 equal to 60. So this is the equation for the sentence add 4 8 times a number, you get 60. Similarly, try the other questions. Here 1/5 of a number means 1 by 5 of any number. Suppose it is x. So you can write x by 5 minus 4 equal to 3. That is the second equation. Now look at this question. Ebenheld thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get a 8. How will you form an equation for that sentence? Let the number be m. She adds 19 to it, so that will become m plus 19. Now we have to divide the sum by 5. That means this total sum you have to divide it by 5. That you can write it as m plus 19 whole divided by 5. Then what will you get? We'll get 8. So the equation you can write it as m plus 19 by 5 is equal to 8. Now how will you solve this one? First, you transpose this 5 to the other side. So divided by 5 will be multiplied by 5. So the next step is m plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. That is m plus 19 is equal to 8 5s are 40. Now you transpose 90, you will get the answer. That is m is equal to 40 minus 19 is equal to 21. So what is actually m? M is a number. So we can write the conclusion as the number is equal to 21. Here are your answers. Do verify yourself. Now let us look at on some problems which comes in our day-to-day life. Here is a question. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest mark is score is 87. What is the lowest score? What do you want to find out here? You have to find out the lowest score. For that, one condition is given in the question. Since we don't know the lowest score, we can take it as x. So we can write let x be the lowest score. Now, with this x, you have to form an equation. Here, the condition given is highest mark is twice the lowest mark plus 7. What is twice the lowest mark? Yes, it is 2x. Now, plus 7 you can write it as 2x plus 7. This is the highest mark. But highest mark is given in the question as 87. So this you can write it as so equal to 87. The given condition you change it into the equation as 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. Now you can solve it. You transpose 7 to the other side and 2 again you will get the value of x. That is 2x is equal to 87 minus 7. That is 2x is equal to 80. To get x, you transpose 2 again. That is x is equal to 80 by 2, which is x is equal to 40. So we can write the conclusion as lowest score is equal to 40. This is question number B from the textbook. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Here, what do you want to find out? What are the base angles? So base angles you can take it as x. So you can write let x be the base angle. Now see here, if one of the base angle is x, you know that the other base angle also will be x, because in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal and the vertex angle is 40. So now you can apply angle sum property, that is x plus x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is 2x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. From that you will get the value of x. Do yourself. This is question number C of question 2. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? Sachin scored double of Rahul. What Rahul scored? Let Rahul runs scored by Rahul we can take it as X. Let runs scored by Rahul be X. Then can you say how much runs scored by Sachin? It is twice as many runs as Rahul. That is Rahul scored X. Then twice of Rahul means what will be? Yes, runs scored by Sachin you can write it as twice x means 2x. Now the condition is given that their runs fell too short of a double century. Together the runs scored. That means runs scored by Rahul plus runs scored by Sachin is equal to too short of a double century. Double century means 200. Too short of double century means 200 minus 2. That is 198. So that we can write it as 2x plus x is equal to 198. That is 3x is equal to 198. To get the value of x, transpose 3 to the other side. That is x is equal to 198 by 3. Do find yourself. Similarly, question number 3 and one more question number 4 are there in the textbook. Do try yourself.